Welcome to the PM Writing Teacher Portal. In this video, we'll explore the Planning tab. The Planning tab provides teachers with access to important and useful documents in downloadable PDF format, such as scope and sequences, suggested teaching pathways, text type documentation, and much more. To access the Planning tab, log in to the PM Writing Teacher Portal using the access code and URL found on the inside front cover of your print Exemplars for Teaching Writing Big Books. This automatically takes users to the landing screen of the Exemplars tab. The Planning tab is the second tab located at the top of every PM Writing Teacher Portal screen. Select the Planning tab from the top menu across the screen. The 5 headings in the blue bar at the top of the Planning tab provide quick access to key documentation to help you when planning, scope and sequence documents, suggested teaching pathways, text types, oral and visual literacy, writing skills and conventions. You will always know which page you are viewing by the underline. The Scope and Sequence tab contains scope and sequence documents that represent the knowledge and skills in relation to writing that students would generally be expected to achieve at the end of each PM Writing developmental level. The Suggested Teaching Pathways PDFs demonstrate approaches that are helpful for teachers when first starting with the program. This summary document outlines where and when PM Writing teacher resources are accessed and implemented, and if the resources are teacher-focused or student-focused. There are Suggested Teaching Pathway PDFs for each developmental stage and for the teaching of taught text types and exposed text types. The Text Types section provides you with useful references for planning, such as annotated text type visual guides, a useful time-saving tool that outlines the text structures and key language features for each text type at each developmental stage. Teachers can quickly view the required text structure and language features for each text type. These are handy refresher tools for planning and building teacher knowledge. Text Type Approaches and Rationale document. This useful guide summarises the approach to language feature coding for each developmental level, as well as provides a useful progression of the language features throughout the whole program. And a text types overview of the PM Writing series, presenting the 10 text types covered by PM Writing, introduced in sequence across the developmental levels. The Oral and Visual Literacy tab provides a useful written reference for teachers when using PM Writing Emergent. It explores how written literacy, oral literacy, and visual literacy are interwoven. The Writing Skills and Conventions documents explore necessary skills and conventions that readers and writers need to develop in order to construct coherent written texts, such as conventions of print, high-frequency words and spelling, grammar, and more. To explore the rest of the PM Writing Teacher Portal, view our other portal videos on the PM Writing website.